Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making Hasselback potatoes. Ignore the dishes, I'll get right on it. So I have a medium potato. I'm going to slice it from one end to the other, and when you cut, you want to cut through roughly 8/10 of the way. You don't want to go all the way through the potato, but the further you do go through, the quicker it will cook. And I'm also going to do quite chunky slices, so I've got enough space to put in the cheese and the butter. I cook my potato in a baking dish and the oven is preheated to 200 degrees, and then we just pop that in. So I'm going to make some garlic butter, and what I've got is a block of vegan butter, and I'm going to cut a slice roughly 1/10 of the length of the butter. I'm going to put that into a pan and warm it gently. I have a fresh garlic clove and I'm going to crush that and put it into the butter, and again just keep warming it gently. I don't want to burn the garlic and I definitely don't want to burn the butter. To reiterate, you want your pan very low. The butter will melt and the garlic will soften without burning. I now have some cheese slices. These are mature cheddar, and I've gone with the Violife brand because it melts really well. If you've got a cheese that doesn't melt, it won't be so good when it's in the oven. I'm going to cut this into triangles, and that will go into the slices that's in my potato. Now you can see that the butter is fully melted, and when it starts bubbling you want to turn the heat off. Serve alongside my potato. I'm just going to get some button mushrooms, take the stalks out, and then I'm going to fill the gaps with the garlic butter to give myself some garlic mushrooms. Now the cooking of the potato depends on the potato size. For this one I've left it in the oven for around 35 minutes, and I've just taken it out. I'm now going to add the butter and the garlic. I'm going to get it covered all over the top and try and get as much in the gaps as possible. So before we put the potato back in the oven, we're going to add the cheese triangles to the slices in the potato. This could be quite tricky and a little bit fiddly, so be patient with it and please don't burn yourself. So once you've filled as many slices in the potato as you can with the cheese triangles, we're going to add the mushrooms to the tray and we're going to put it back in the oven for approximately 25 minutes. 25 minutes later, we have a crispy on the outside and soft in the middle Hasselback potato with garlic mushrooms. I've served this with some carrots and some broccoli. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe or leave comments below.